What's up, kids? Tool testing, welding, who knows? Stick around, something cool might happen. I hope. All right, here's what we got. Got a mess right here. Only part of it's a mess, though. Yeah, part of it. So we're gonna move the part that's a mess. Hope you've been enjoying whatever videos you've watched. If you've watched them, if you're not, hey, you should. If you're watching this one and you haven't watched the other ones, maybe can you watch a couple other ones? I mean, it'd be cool. I mean, no pressure, no pressure. Hey, no pressure. It's come to my attention that apparently I don't know how to put stuff in a drawer right now. It's come to my attention that I have too many ideas for the down. Plan B. Hey, watch it. Stuff is flying. Yeah. Do we need to do that? I don't think so. I did pick up some stuff today. Today being February the 3rd in the year 2023 of the Common Era. Today also happens to be, today also happens to be my 20-year mark in service today. Now you won't have to hear about it anymore, I promise. I'm really excited about it because I finally get to ask to retire. Yeah. So I am really excited about it, and thanks for bearing with me when I talk about it, because I do a bunch. So what I got, I picked up some stuff. And I'm just going to show you the stuff. We're going to test some of it out right now, too. Now, some of the stuff I haven't even opened yet. And some of it I get to open. Did you see that? I threw it and it went into... You didn't watch. And so what we're going to do first is, now, I'm just going to show this to you, I'm not opening it because I have more. This one, they're on clearance because they're getting out of this brand, I guess, the Earthquake, they're getting out of it. Heartbreak. On sale, it was $34 on clearance, and then today was 40% off clearance, so I got this. So I have 4 batteries now. Should be good for a little bit. We'll put that where it doesn't belong. And then, that was a super awesome thing today. It was, these were like $3.99 or $2.99 or something 99. I don't know, it was cheap. So I got 4 of them. Now I should be set for C-clamps for a minute or 7. Got 4. Now with the other clamps, I should have enough to clamp. I picked up some more muffs because I always lose mine in here. Like now, I don't know where they are. I don't know. Straight up. Now I'm distracted. Missed. I got some muffs though. These they fold up, and apparently they're Gotta get in there. Oh, they're glued. Oh, I hope I don't need to return them. This box is now. Yep. It says it brings things down to 26 decibels. That's lower than the human voice. You know what that means? I'm gonna walk around like this all the time. Oh yeah, that's good. And stylish. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. So yeah, these are, they don't rotate, so I don't like that, but they were like, you know, it's like $6. So I got another pair that I'm gonna lose. Where should I put them so I lose them right away? Right here? Put them right there. All right, so we got more garbage. Nope, I didn't, not a one. Nope, not even a thing. And I picked up some, they said there's the electrical and data scissors. We got some 19 and 23 gauge wire strippers along the blade, titanium coated integrated cable, cutter grooves, and outside serrations for reaming knockouts and electric boxes. Now I don't do a whole lot of that stuff, but I'll tell you what. When I do, I do. Also, you know that I have a few power tools, and it was by a battery, so I bought the one that they said it was 54. I had $55, and it was like get another tool, get a free tool. Hey, I'm all about free tools, right? So I got us a little. Peyton doesn't like the grinder so much, so you know we're gonna try this out. And then I got 2 of these 25 pack 40 grit or 40 grit 16-inch 16th of an inch wide, 25 of them. 2. They were both on clearance. So hey, cool, right? 40% off of whatever that is. But anyway, yeah, you got to buy this one, the 3 amp hour, and then you get a free tool. Actually, go check them out. It's actually really, really pretty cool. We're gonna open up the electrician scissors. Look, I just wanted to have them all. Okay, I don't even do electrician stuff anymore. I just didn't get that. Oh, I got another chance. Yes. You saw it right there. You did. Okay. This little guy. Yeah, this the serrations right here. And right here. Oh, that's right on the thumb. Then you like that, and then you can not like, you know, you can't cut Clyde in half, but maybe troublemaker. We all know that was a little bit squishy. What I'm gonna do, we're getting a charge battery. I think I have one. And then we're gonna, right there. See you in a minute. Hold on to your cats. It's coming for you. What do? So we're gonna put this right, yep, right here. Yep, like something like that. We're gonna try out the new muffs too. Hey, what do you know? Hey, watch it. Who's got safety glasses? Who? Come on, man. I gotta wear these. These aren't even clean. Oh. All right, anyway. It's probably enough messing about. Okay, can't hear a thing. We got that going. We're gonna put this right here to record stuff. There's lots of stuff on the floor right now. Keep your eye right there. I have something that sticks over. I'm gonna give her a little tickle. That was a hot one. It just took a bit. That's okay. Huh? Not bad. Not bad. Could have kicked that stuff out of the way. Right there. Not bad. Feel pretty good about that purchase. Yeah, I kicked something over there. Not sure what it was. You might say, hey, guy, why didn't you just use the things that were right here? The face mask. Well, it's because I was looking for safety glasses. I didn't want that. I don't know. Almost fell down. Oh, anyway, you saw live. I hadn't tried it before. Right there. This doesn't come with it, and neither does a battery or charger. It's just a tool. So, right there, 2269C-B. And it says that it's got 19,000 RPM. So actually, you know what? It did pretty good. You know, I mean, it clears that, so I can weld it up again. Since I didn't clearance it, right? Anyway, we're going to tack that back together. Oh, anyway, I want to shout out my friend Doug Jacobs. Sent me a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, and a super awesome blanket that Peyton took. So, right there. Doug, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. All right. What's next? Oh, yeah, yep, hold on. Oh, before I forget, I want to talk to you about the live that we're going to do on the 15th of February. It's a Thursday, I think. We'll probably do it around 6:30. Watch for the post. It's our 1-year anniversary of the channel. Yeah, pretty excited. I think Peyton is excited too. She's getting ready to come back. She said that last quarter was just took it out of her in school, so she wanted to just kind of reset. Hey, nothing wrong with that. I'm looking forward to having her back because I'll tell you what, you guys are probably sick and tired of me doing these kind of videos instead of pounding on this thing. That's going to change though, I promise. We're going to be beating this up over here soon. But today, the rest of today's video, I'm going to work on that hood a little bit because I need to see what I got to do to it. And I'm going to get it back up here, turn the thing, you guys can watch. Don't forget, Doug. Love you, brother. Anyway, so let me kind of get some stuff, you know what I mean. And we'll be back in a minute. All right, as we know, I just kind of trimmed up this hood just to make it work. 'Cause I haven't done much with it since. I mean, I folded it in half, you know, because it does. Right? Let's put it up here. And let's, you know, I got the radiator support rods in the way. Now, put that up there. God. Hold on a second here. You know what, guys and gals and people? Hey, I got that line up my marks. I wonder, being that this thing is lower and it goes down, whereas the 3031 goes like this, 2029 kind of has a nice curve to it this way. Still not as attractive as 3031, but so it does kind of go uphill a little bit. You can see. You can see it right there. Man, that looks good though. So what I'm going to need to do, I've got a couple of options. One, I can trim it right here. Touches there. I can attach it and I can attach it. I don't have another hood to go around the other direction or, you know, do something else with it. So, I mean, it's really, this is one chance. I can go back here and then I have to cut it, you know, through here. I'll show you. So if we're going to use our envisioning tape, and appreciate the idea. We would live right at that yellow line. There's sawdust on here, it's making it hard. We'll live right at that yellow line, right there. And then it would be right here. All the way up. You kind of be like that. Now, I don't have to do it this way. This is a little bit more race car-ish, right? I think. But, you know, this right here, you know, and I'm gonna make some room, and I'm gonna see if I can bend this. Hold on. By the way, I found my muffs in a box. I don't know. Stop messing around in here. Okay. Now we're gonna get the hood. We're here. And I wonder if that bucket's gonna do it. I have a bucket, a plastic bucket that maybe I can try to push it around. Something. I don't know. I got an aluminum fuel tank over there too, so let's see what we got. First thing I'm gonna try is ultimately just push on it. Well, I'm gonna get you so you can see that. It's not glamorous, but it might work. You know, right where they touch. Okay, that bent. Now, let's see. Is the rest of it gonna bend? Where's that? Hey now. Magnet. All right, let's see what this looks like. I'll bring this back in a second. All right, now we're touching. We're just about touching, so I feel pretty good about that. This is closer. I wonder if I can just get it right there. I have an idea. Had about enough of hitting my leg on. Right there. See it? It's right here. Yeah. What? Why? Well, it hurts every time I do it. I got this bent. Now I wonder if I can kind of hammer along here on this side. We'll see. I'll bring you back in, I promise. Now this is going to be loudish. You got your muffs? All right, I got some extras. If you can find them, you can wear them. Hello. All right, so you have a general idea that right here. Get some shape. You definitely still smell that spray I put on there. In case anybody wondered, not Arcos. Huh? I can't hear you. All right, let's see how that little bit of forming did. Maybe we won't have to cut it off. Well, we're gonna have to cut it to length. But I mean, you know what I mean. Get out of there. All right, this I like. Holy cow, kids! Look at that. I like that. There. Look at that. I wonder, do I need to trim it? I'm not going to be using this fuel tank. Can I just put right there? You know, I mean, look at it. It fits really good. You think what I'm thinking? Self-tapper? Not yet. But this just needs a little bit more. Now there's some lumps, of course, because, you know, I hit it. But that doesn't mean I can't get those out, right? But there's a hole right here where my finger is. You see that right there? I could actually put a bolt in there and tighten that down. Huh. Yeah. And I don't know if I need to cut it. I mean, it's honestly just for looks. Let's see what the other side looks like here. Okay, all right. Well, we gotta straighten her up as best we can. Right? Now, the radiator's a little bit twisted. That's fine. We'll get it laid out right. We'll split the difference between the two. That's what we'll end up doing. Yeah, that's touching now. But that is pretty good. You know, that's not bad. It's not bad. I can still get that in there. Should we see what we can do here? Let's hit that side, see what it looks like. Yeah. We're gonna do it again. Not taking much to move this old stuff, I'll tell you. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I'll bring you over here. You guys tell me if it looks terrible, okay? I'm not gonna be able to see it right away. Come on. It's not that hard to tell me if it looks terrible. You guys don't have a problem with telling me that my welding's terrible. You can tell me my metal shaping's terrible too, can't you? Hey, that's not bad. I'm not hating that. Let's get a good look at that. Let me bring it back here. What do you think? No, this would be down in here. You know, we're going to try to fiddle this into shape as best we can. But we just kind of self-tapper or something, and then we put a nice screw in there or something. Now this one is going to need a little bit more, a little bit adjusting right here. This one needs a little bit more. Plus we're gonna have to fiddle back and forth with it. See what I need to do. Something like that. Cut that one back. Just overlap this a little bit. Overlap them both, maybe. Cut this off. Right there. And then I can run an overlap just a little bit. And I get this squared up. Because those look good. The backs look good. You know? I mean, if I put them back here, it looks great. But maybe a problem here. So, what do you guys think? I'm not hating on that one bit. Plan B's coming together, maybe. Just a little bit. Here, let's get the headlights in there. Yep. I think that looks okay. Even though the hood kind of dives down and you can see it, you know, right here. And that's why maybe if I leave this here, it won't be so noticeable. Because if I take it and I put it like that, you know, you can definitely see it like that. And I could cut the front. I mean, I can cut the front off. And, you know, maybe that's an idea. Because then I'll be cutting that so then I can, you know. But I like that factory rolled edge. Maybe that's what we do right there, like that. And I use some clips from underneath, like back here. You know, like that. But they're both sides are pretty good. Now I'll do hammer and dolly this a little bit too, and it'll definitely get there's low spots, you know. And of course I'm gonna, you know, sand it and stuff. And then I'm planning on just tacking the hood like this. You know, just tacking a little bit. Just so it doesn't move on me. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll, you know, put a piece of metal down the middle and then, well, it's from underneath or something. I don't know, but anyway, because this is, you know, 147 years old. I don't mind that at all. What did we learn today, kids? Number one, went to Harbor Freight, got some stuff. We know I love Harbor Freight, because we do, right? I mean, Harbor Freight. Super cool. Let me get that over there so I can eat. Alright. So, also we learned that my good pal Doug gave me some sweet gear. Wonderful gift. Buddy, I appreciate it a lot. The other thing we came across is that maybe that's going to be good right there. And I'll just metal work that down better, you know, get it down and then figure something out here, you know. Not hating it. Not hating that idea. You guys tell me what you think down the thing. All right. This is going to do it for our wonderful video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peyton will be back out soon, I promise. She just wanted her time away, and I'll tell you what, I'd rather have her time away and come back she's ready to go. Because we have a lot of work to do. I'll stop hitting that now. We got this thing. You know, we got Clyde. Carburetor needs some love. Leaks. Yeah. Well, anyway, hope you have a great night. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day, kids.